There's Lila. What's happening? Well, hey, we're not in the workshop. We're not at the bench. We're not smoking a pipe. Let me grab this toy. Because Lila loves this toy. Get it, Lou. All right, so welcome to spring 2022. It's March 16th, I think. I think it's like 68 degrees it hit today, 69 degrees. So I'm out uncovering some stuff, seeing how frozen things are. And let me spin you around, give you a little tour. Yeah. All right, so this guy right here, turns out, didn't do too bad. Right there, frozen solid. That seems to be not so frozen. Over here, we got a little pool of water. No, right here, I planted all that garlic, it froze solid during the winter. I figured all was lost. Then I come out and look, what do we have here? Here, some back there. I dug around here just to see. There's one. He's coming up through the hay. Turns out it worked and garlic's coming up. Come on, Lou. These right here, haven't even uncovered, but I will with you now. Got some hay, but not frozen at all. 100% accuracy. I did not pull any of those over during the winter. This one right here seems to be pretty ready to go. Now I had those covered with leaves. I don't think I'm going to do that again. It seemed to hold the cold in. Most of these were all covered with leaves. They all seem to be pretty much moving and ready to plant. And these are all looking good. Some ideas for this spot this year. These I think are still a little frozen. Oh yeah, look at this. You see that? But they're not really getting any direct sunlight, to be honest. All right. These guys are unthawed. So are those guys. Lou, can I have your Frisbee? Let's go get Lila's Frisbee. Like I said, this is our first little outside event. Look what I got, Lila. Oh, look what I got. Okay. Get it, Lila. She's a goofball. This was frozen solid earlier. It's completely thawed out now. The few plants that I had in here are no good. It just froze up, I think is what it is. I did find some leaks that seemed to make it. You can see them. So I dug them out of the middle where they were at. I stuck them down the side. I'm still unsure what I'm gonna put here, but I got a lot of stuff started. These I didn't uncover. Oh, I'll uncover this one for you though. Let's do this. Oh yeah. That's ready to plant in right there. I gotta get the water off there in a good way. Now these, it's looking funny and green, but after whatever got in here ate everything, it left the onions, and I do believe these little guys, zoom in here, I think those are lettuce, actually. I'm not sure. This green stuff, I think it was from that slug pellets, but this is nice. I just lifted the thing up. It was really warm in there. Over here, everything got eaten by whatever got in there. I never did catch anything. But right there, I'm gonna level that out. I'm gonna leave that hay and that straw in there. I'm just gonna toss it about. All these little onions. Come here, Lou. All these little onions, I do believe I'm gonna dig them up and move them over here. I have a monstrous onion bed. So I'm thinking brassica bed. I think, anyways. I don't know. Come here, Lou. Lila. Lila, come here. Come here, Lila. Lou, come here. She's like, come in here. Say hi, Lila. Say hi, Lila. Ah, Lila's mad at us because we wouldn't let her come out here all the time in the winter and freeze her butt off and run around. Hey, don't drink that water. She's a goober. Drink that water and this stuff. Oh yeah, it's not frozen at all. So the black plastic, I think, works better than just putting the leaves on. But all the little hoop house stuff was really, it's warmed up. It's ready to go. I have some onions downstairs that I might put up here to do a little mock-up greenhouse situation. You know what I mean? Oh my, spin you around. But anyways, that is what's going on at Noah's house today, the 16th of March. I'm gonna stick this in with some other videos that I was making some seedlings, and yesterday I started a bunch of brassicas, cabbage, bok choy, or baby choy, pak choy. It's a choy. All my brassicas, broccoli, beets, radishes. Get them guys in because they grow, you know, radishes grow fast. Something pretty cool. But hey, that's what's going on. I'm probably gonna make some more videos over by the compost, see how things are going. But that's just a little update. I'll catch you in a bit. See ya. Here's Lou. Give us a smile, Lila. Give us a smile. Woof. Just a side note I forgot. That big bed right there, we have some plans for it this year. And I'll be talking about that pretty soon. The big bed right there. We redid the house, making things nice. Built some raised beds. I'm thinking some in-ground stuff going right over there. Total no dig. We have ourselves an idea for that, but that's coming. Okay, well, here's another spring walk around, so to speak. I'm over by the bins, as you can see right there. I'll give you over there. I just dumped some stuff on, just looking yucky. Got a lot of cardboard. Oh, and this stuff right here. Oh, that stuff's great. That's all going to be going on. There's tons of food scraps. But down here, I'm like, what's going on? All my compost is out on the ground. Well, because there's a little hole right there. I'm thinking somebody climbed out. But here's the compost. It should be ready for this year. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Not frozen much. Let's see the roof on the manure depot. Roof's looking good. Inside's looking good. Here's the leaf thing. Remember that sucker was piled up to like there. There it is. That they're just sitting. And that's all we do with that. We just let it sit. Lots of sticks and twigs and stuff I've been collecting and cutting. This all needs a good cleanup. Some of that's going to be put to use. In here, everything's looking good. This is the rest of the manure. The rest of the bulk compost that I bought. And some of that leafy mold stuff down there. I'm thinking of mixing that. Oh, excuse me. With that. Oh my. And mix that up. Have me a nice mix. Mix it with some of the homemade stuff. Which, if I'm looking at it right, look at all this stuff right here. That's good compost. What's it doing out here? I think right there, somebody was making their escape right through here. So I'll have to clean that up too. But hey, it was winter. It was cold winter. So all this stuff has to be uncovered. And like I said, I'm thinking of mixing. I don't know if I'm gonna mix all that with all of this, but I might. Everything else seemed to fare pretty well. Pretty good. I'm gonna take a walk up and look at some of the stuff that I had buried up here. Up there. Oh, got a ton of branches on it. I'm gonna see how that stuff's going. I'll bring it back in a sec. All right, well, see if I can zoom in, see those little greens. That's garlic coming up. I had extra garlic and I figured, what the heck? Wow, they're growing a lot better than the stuff up there. They're really big. Only thing was the plastic moved a little bit, but that's okay. But under here, this is gonna be, I just did this to see if I could grow potatoes right here. And we're also gonna trial, is that one too? Oh, excuse me. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that's a finger. That's garlic. Oh my goodness. It's monster. That is the thickest garlic. Wow. I should probably uncover it a little bit, don't you think? Yeah. There we go. It's kind of freehand, no, no camera rig or no microphone today. But I'll tell you what, if the potatoes don't want to grow over here, it's sure looking like the garlic does. That's looking pretty good. The little spots where I put the pumpkins seeds, not much has happened. Right here. Holy cow, what do you think's down in there? A lot of digging this year in the ground. A lot of things we're getting in the ground. Now up here, this was what I got all ready to put asparagus in. There was asparagus in here. Oh my goodness. But it sure is looking like somebody was marching around on it. I don't know. This is all an experiment up here. I'm kind of up in the woods, so I don't really know if anything, is it going to get enough sun? Is it going to do this? Way down over there, that's the main garden. Right there is the RV, which that channel just started, and everybody has seen that nightmarish thing happen so far. But anyways, down there is all my compost. Here's the sun. I haven't seen that in a few months. But anyways, that is truly what's going on at Noah's house today. Edit these up, and hopefully this is the start of something that's going to be a great gardening summer. A lot of work to do here. A lot of sticks blew down, a lot of winds, a lot of cold weather. But things are looking great today. It's making my day because I had a terrible ride home because it took me over an hour to get home, and it normally takes me 20 minutes. But that is what it is. But hey, so far so good. Things are looking great. Please like, subscribe, share it around. 109 subscribers now, I think, which is incredible. Thanks, everybody. But hey, let's get more. Let's get to 200. Let's get to 10,000. And then keep going from there as well. But like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. And come on back for some pipe videos. Come on back for the new RV series, which is starting off in a real rough spot. But it's going to get there, and it's going to be a good time. We'll have some really cool videos this summer. We'll do some really nice trips. And I will see you guys when I see you. Thanks for watching. Bye now.